Hello and welcome to our class Systems Administration and Maintenance. We're now in first and second week of our pre-finals, and we're discussing process in Linux. So if you're interested with these kind of video tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to All About Technology YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell so you will not miss out future videos like these. Different characteristics of a process. It can be started from the GUI or the command line. It can start another process. It can only be created by another process. Commands used in viewing and controlling process. PS, it reports a snapshot of current processes. Top, it displays tasks. Jobs, this lists active jobs. EG, it places a job in the background. FG, this places a job in the foreground. Process states are running, S sleeping. This process is not running, it is waiting for an event. D uninterruptible sleep. Process is waiting for I/O such as a disk drive. T trace or stop. Z a defunct or zombie process. This is a child process that has been terminated. It has not been cleaned up by its parents. Characters used with process states. Less than, symbol a high priority process. Big, N low priority process. Big. L has packaged locked into memory. This is for real-time and custom I/O. Small, SA session leader. Small, L multi-threaded. Plus, sign in the foreground process group. The PS command with auxiliary option, user ID. This is the owner of the process. %CPU usage in %MEM memory usage in %VSZ virtual memory size. RSS resident set size. This is the amount of physical memory, in kilobytes, the process is using. Start, this is the time when the process has started. For values over 24 hours, a date is used. Columns of the top program. PID, process ID, user, the username under which the process is running. PR. Priority for the process, it ranges from -20 for very important processes to 19 for unimportant processes. NI. Niceness value. A negative value will increase the priority of the process, and a positive value would decrease the priority of the process. VIRT. The total amount of virtual memory used by the process. RES. The resident size in KB. It is the non-swapped physical memory that the process has used. SHR, the shared memory size in KB. This is the amount of memory that could be allocated to other processes. SE process status. Percentage of CPU time the process was using at the time top last updated. Percentage of memory the process was using at the time top last updated. Cumulative CPU time the process and children of the process have used. Command, name of the process or path to the command used to start the process.